Hi, this is Tony Self, continuing the whole exercise of understanding how to use artificial intelligence for small business owners to create impact in what we do. And what we're going to cover today is juicing up our social profiles. Now, what I've done is I used OpenChat or ChatGPT to take my old profiles and make it work for different platforms and kind of just do those kind of things. So let me show you an example of what I have for my profile that I've been using for years, never change it, always provided it to somebody or put it on social media channels. So here's my profile that I've been using. I had a short version, under 1,000 words, and a longer version. Never really changed it, kind of kept it like so. So what I did is I used ChatGPT to redo it for my LinkedIn profile. And here's my LinkedIn page. And you'll see it did a great job in the About section. It took the other profile that I had right there, the longer version, and redrafted it to this version, which is amazing. Here, I'll just read the first paragraph. Meet Anthony Self, a real estate enthusiast with a career spanning back to 1996. Yes, I am very old. He played a pivotal role in bringing multiple listing data to the online realm, contributing to the launch of Realtor.com for the entire state of California. Since then, he's been a trailblazer in leadership positions, crafting innovative online services that connect the world of practical real estate to the digital landscape, resulting in billions of dollars in online real estate sales across the country. Man, I want to hire that guy. He sounds amazing. Well, I've done a lot of those things, but anyways. So what's cool about this is that it took that one profile and it redrafted me. So let's go ahead. We're going to do this together. So once more, you need a free ChatGPT. Go to OpenAI. You can create a free ChatGPT. Again, everything I'm showing to you is free. And then you need your profile. It doesn't have to be amazing. Just, maybe your resume about you, that kind of thing. It's also going to do it for your resume as well. Take that, copy and paste it. So let's do this together. So first, I have my profile. Let's go ahead and say I'm going to take the longer version here. I'm going to copy all this. I'm going to go ahead and update my Facebook profile. Now, Facebook, a lot of these things are different too. What happens with some of these profiles, they have different restrictions, character restrictions. So in this case, the about part of Facebook is, I believe, under 100 characters. We'll take a look at it in a second here. And also others, you can go a little bit longer. So that's why a lot of people kind of use the same thing and they cut everything off. So with Facebook, you go to your profile, hit your name, click Edit Profile, and you'll see here again avatars and your bio. So I don't have a bio because it's small. I have to do it under 101 characters. So that's why I haven't done it. So go ahead and launch ChatGPT. I already have it open here. And I'm going to say write a Facebook bio under 101 characters, and then paste my whole thing, which is a lot longer than that. And this is what it has. Real estate innovator since 96, exec director at Harcourt's Real Estate Auctions, online sales pioneer, UCLA instructor, author, speaker, then has little emojis. So all you do is take this, copy it, go back to Facebook, paste it in there. It has 43 characters. Won't let me do it. So let me say redraft this. This is what's cool. Do this stuff live. So rewrite under 100 characters. It remembers what it's doing too. So there we go. Innovating real estate since 96, executive director, Harcourt's Auctions, author, speaker. So let's see if that one looks like it's right size. I wonder why I didn't get it the first time. Did I misspell it? I don't think so. All right, so I got that, copy it, go back to my bio here, and that works. Click save. And I now have a share now. And I have added it to bio. So that's cool. So again, using ChatGPT from OpenAI, I'm able to take old bios that I have not changed or from my resume, change it and have it unique for each different social profile. Very easy. Again, no cost. And I can use that to do this and have a nice kind of a presence online that it didn't have before. So hopefully you like this. If you do, please subscribe. Also, send us in the comments below any type of topics you want to talk about. I know I'm starting this off. I'm trying to get this on a weekly basis, every week, trying to put this out there. I'm committed to it, and hopefully everyone enjoyed this. So this is Tony Self signing off, and thank you for watching, and hope to see you very, very soon. Have an awesome, awesome day or night. See you later.